Hey everyone, Christian Rodino here with Wildwood Heritage Glen. Behind me we have our brand new 35 RE. That's going to be rear entertainment with the Wildwood Heritage Glen twist on it. This is in our Elite series. Let's go check it out. Now that we're on the outside of the 35 RE, we're gonna check out some focal features that separates the Heritage Glen from the rest of the crew here. So on the front, we have our front cap. This is a full profile, 3/4 tone, automotive grade paint job up here. You'll notice that we have the LED light strips as well to provide some light at night, or just a fancy little flash there for you. As we keep moving along, you'll notice we have our pass-through storage. I do want to mention that it's got the slam latch baggage doors. Because this is an Elite series, we do get a water filtration system. This is upgraded to that 6-point auto leveling. Makes it easy. That is going to come factory prepped for you there. As we move to the entryway, you'll notice we have our MORryde step above steps. Now, once again, because this is the Elite series, those steps are going to be strut assisted. So just a lift of a finger and you can make those steps go up and down. We've got the extra large grab handle that you can grab all the way from the ground. Makes it feel very easy getting in and out of your coach. Now, you knew for 2023, we have the Goodyear Endurance tires. So that's gonna give you a little bit higher rating on the speed that you can go, as well as a more comfortable toe and just ease of mind for you. Now, I mentioned this Heritage Glen 35 RE has a twist. Here's one of the first twists we have for you. We have a 50-inch TV on a slide-out mechanism, so it is truly an entertainment coach. You don't have to bring a TV in and out. It comes included on a slide mechanism. Pull it out when you need it, put it away when you no longer need the TV. And then the outside kitchen, this leaves no features desired here. We've got your plumb sink, an extra large mini fridge for anything additional need to kept cool or some beverages. We've got your griddle on a pull-out, and then even more storage above with the cabinetry. Provides that awesome entertainment on the outside of your coach. On the very back end of this coach, we do come prepped with a ladder. You also get a 2-inch receiver on this coach for you as well. Now, I do want to mention the underbelly is completely enclosed. That is going to be our accessibelly under there, and we also have the 12-volt heating pads on all of our tanks. Now, that's the skinny on the outside there. We've got quite a bit of features on the Wildwood Heritage Glen Elite series. I'm excited to take a look on the inside. Let's go. Now that we're in the inside of the 35 RE, we're going to start up here in the bedroom. One thing I want to note on our walking space here, new for 2023, we're completely carpetless. This is an Elite series, so you're going to get a 72 by 80 residential king bed up here. We know a lot of folks that's desired in your coach, and you don't have to worry, you get it included. The closet, we have our residential barn door closet. And then I want to point out, special for Heritage Glen, the way we manufacture this closet allows you to put in a stackable washer dryer, not just a 2-in-1, if desired. With this being a full profile front feature here, we do get 6.5 foot to center of head height. So for those taller individuals, gives you a little bit more headroom. As we move further back in the coach, when we head in the bathroom here, I want to point out, it's a full walk-in shower. We get that skylight above for a little bit more headroom, and then a porcelain foot flush toilet. Now we're moving back more to my favorite focal point of this coach, the rear entertainment in the kitchen area. So I told you one time, and I'm gonna keep telling you again, this has our Heritage Glen twist on it. In the kitchen, we're gonna give you double bar tops with 4 bar stools. Instead of the true residential, or I should say rear entertainment look, where you'll get 3 pieces of furniture and then just 1 little bar topped. So you're getting additional countertop space. We still get our huge residential size window on our campsite. We know a lot of folks care about what's going on in the campsite, but don't worry, we have you covered. Some nice LED accent lighting underneath the tables, as well as in our cabinetry above that campsite window. With this being an Elite series, we're going to get more of that residential styled appliances. You get a 20 cubic foot refrigerator, a larger oven, a little bit larger range, and a larger microwave as well. I do want to point out before we move out of this kitchen here, we get that extra large pantry that folks love with the Heritage Glen. More and more storage. We don't want you to have to worry about what you can and cannot bring. Don't worry, we have you covered with storage. Last thing to note in the kitchen is that with this being an Elite Series, we do get that solid surface countertops. So that upgraded feature, this is an Elite Series. Now that we're in the back, we have our rear entertainment. So this is the big twist back here. So you're used to seeing, like I was saying, 3 pieces of furniture. Now you get the trifold sleeper sofa. You still get your theater seating directly across your TV and your fireplace. It's a 36-inch fireplace that duals as an electric space heater on a cool night, so we don't have to burn our propane. The thought process here was that a lot of folks, when you're using, maybe you're even at home, when you have folks over, not everybody is in the entertainment, so you don't really need those 3 pieces of furniture. Some people are around the kitchen, so we have those 4 bar stools. Some people are outside at that rad entertainment that we were showing you with that 50-inch slide-out TV, and some are around the entertainment on the trifold or the theater sofa. So that gives you the options. That was why we developed and manufactured this new rear entertainment. The last focal point here that I want to point out is that this 55-inch TV opens up and there is additional storage behind. Like I said, we've got you covered with storage. Now I know I said that was the last thing, but I just remembered as in our kitchen and in our rear entertainment are going to be completely carpetless. So very easy to be kept clean, no floor vents here, so we don't have to worry about dirt and debris getting kicked in or having to cover them when we're not using them. I also want to point out the panoramic windows. So a lot of times when we get a campsite entertainment on the inside, we lose our windows. But in this coach, we don't. We still have that huge camp kitchen window. We still have windows next to our trifold as well as behind it, and panoramic windows by our theater seating. Now those windows are all tinted. They all have modern cloth roller shades as well to block out additional light if you ever need to. And if you looked up, one feature here that we love pointing out is our barreled styled ceiling in the Wildwood Heritage Glen 5th wheels. It's gonna make it feel very open, and it pairs well with our modern design, making it feel homey, making it feel open and welcome for all those that enjoy their Heritage Glen. Thank you for joining us on the 35 RE tour today. Now remember, that's the rear entertainment with Heritage Glen's twist. For more information, check our website at forestriverinc.com/Heritage Glen. And if you want to get yours today, visit your local dealer and go get your Heritage Glen 35 RE.